Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm back with another reveal video, and today I'll be revealing the Octo Elements Stamp Set. This is a clear 4x6 stamp set, and it comes with 10 images that coordinate perfectly with the Octoguys stamp set. It's got some cute little critters like the seahorse, and there's some coral, and a starfish, and the little crab, and a cute little oyster up in the top there. And I'm also excited because the stamp set does have coordinating dies that are sold separately. And here I'm showing you that you can, for the two larger images in the stamp set, you can use the outline die and cut it out that way just by itself, or you can add in the centerpiece and cut the hole out of the center. And the same thing works with the Lifesaver stamp. You can either stamp out the whole image, or you can use the centerpiece and cut the center out of the Lifesaver as well. I do have a sample to share with you. I did a quick little scene card with some ink blending and stenciling, and then just arranged the little images around the bottom where I wanted them to go. And then of course I had to use those fish tank clay embellishments because they also go perfectly with all of these new Under the Sea products that are now available. For more information, I'll have that linked in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd also love to have you follow us on Instagram and join our Facebook group. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.